Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome or welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video is my financial abundance binder day where I have 12 saving challenges that I am saving for my sinking funds. I have $80. Is it 80? Yes, $80 in prop money, and let's get started. Let's go ahead and move some stuff around. And I got the cards out today, and I did put the binder inserts to these cards. They are of A6 size. They are found in my Kofi for free. So go check it out if you want it. And it just have these beautiful queens here on them, amounts 1 through 12. And the link is down below. All right, so let's get the first card started here. Yeah, we just do it here. So we are going to card 2, saving challenge 2. And this is created by Bookish Mama Budgets, saves $50. And let's see, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is a 5, so we will stop there. So $5 going into this one. All right, that's, what am I doing? What am I doing? 11. 11 is Liz and Les. Our penguins are some party poopers here, so we gotta get them up to speed. Oh, and this penguin needs a hat for $5, and this says $100. So let's put his hat this way so he won't block his friend there. So $5 is going to this one. Next card is 6. And that is Reynolds Budget. Oh, we're going to finish this one. This is Cheers to a Bright New Year 2026. And this is a mystery save. So, okay, $3. So we're going to count and see how much this one saves. So, let's get the money out. And then the $3. 1, 2, and 3. And we got 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, $42. $42. That is wonderful. So let me put 42. And let's see, what is this going to? What is number 6? This is for holiday. So this is for Easter. That is wonderful. So let me put the money back in here so it won't go everywhere. Where is my pen? And what I forgot already. 42, so plus 42, and 105 plus 42 is 147. Perfect. And I will just add another challenge in there so we keep on saving for Easter. So that's kind of how I'm doing this, what this binder is using for. So just some sinking funds. Oh, I have an IOU. I'm glad I came to 10. Oh, 10 had, oh, let me show you guys. 10 had a 30, what? A $3 IOU. Oh, for flock's sakes. Let's pay that $3. And this is Dreamy Budgets. And that's because I was being kind of greedy last week. Let's see. Let's roll a dice. See which one we're going to. 5. Let's find. That's the one with the 5. And we're just going to scratch one. Let's go right in the center. See, it'd be tricking me. It'd be giving me these low numbers. And I want to scratch again. I'm not going to do it. but I want to do it, but I'm not going to do it. So let's do $5. See, that was gets me all the time. So let's put those in there for that go everywhere. Next, we are going to 12. 12 is Reynolds budget. And let's roll the 6-sided die. And we got a 6. So let's cross that 6 out and put 6 in. 5 and 6. Overthinking is my superpower. Why can I pick this up? I got too much grease on my hands. I'm trying not to be ashy for the video. So we are going up to 1. 1 is Budget with Carly. And let's see which one we go. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is $4. So $4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So happy we got to finish one. That is really cool. All right, do another card. 6. I'm just gonna put these cards up here because Lord have mercy. 6. Look at me just doing stuff. Oh, 6 is the one we already finished. So let's do another card. We got 1. Okay. 1 is this one. So I'm just gonna pick one and scratch. Let's go here. Ooh, baby, that's an 8. So $8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, I need some 1s. Let's see, can we get some 1s here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay. Now let's put these 2 5s back and grab a 10. Perfect. Next one is 1 again. Now, Miss Carly, you was taking all the funds. Let's go here. $4. So let's put $1 back and grab a 5. All right, 1. Let's spread the love. Okay, 4. All right, we got Keely Creations. And this one says $80+ Cute 2026 challenge. So 1. Let's do this one since this one is half off. Okay, $2. I think we can go again. 6. Hold on. All right, sorry, Gems. You notice a slight little cut in the video. But we got a 2 there. So let me see. 1 and 2. I think this is where I left off, I think. Let's go one more time. 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and that is a 3, so $5. Hope that's where, oh, I don't remember. Hopefully that's where I left all this. So let's put these 2 back and grab a 5. Hopefully that's right. All right, so next card is 10. 10, 10, 10. 10 is Dreamy Budgets. So happy I get to play this. Let's see, which one are we going to? 4? Oh, boom, 4. No, that's 5, girl. Where's 4? Here we go. Oh, we got a couple. Oh, I didn't even realize it's a couple of them. Oh, well, we just gonna scratch and go. So let's go here. Oh, I thought that was a 12. That's a 2. See, I want us to do another one. I am kind of nervous. Let's go again. Let's pick one. Let's pick one. Let's do this one. Okay. This one gets me in trouble. Let's do this one. Okay, 6. Not bad, not bad. Because this goes to Gem City budget. So I want to finish all these. So that's $5, $6, $7, $8. Okay, okay. Let's put that back in here. All right, so let's go to the next one. 8. Which one is 8? Do we get to play this one? Which one is 8? This 8? Yes, budget with Carly. Ooh, this is this one. Have we played this one? No, we haven't. This says $60. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is a 4. For some hot chocolate and marshmallows. I really need to clean that out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, we need some 1s. This gonna be a little crazy. 5. Okay, 5 is, what is 5? Oh, 5 is, oh, the thrift is so is. Yes, I love this. All right, let's get those out. Is that it? Yeah. And okay, get my dice. And I put the dice into this like black satchel bag, little pouch here. And we are going to pull a dice out. So let's see what color it's going to be. Let's do this one. Okay, that's red. So we get the red card. We did red last time. All right, let's see. And we are doing number 5. So this is this one. Baby, that is a 15. Well, we ain't got to worry about any 1s. So 5, 10, 15. Ooh, we got $5 left. Definitely gonna stop there. All right, let's put those back in here. Okay. $5. I'm not gonna get no more IOUs. No, we're not. Let's put that back in here. So I am just gonna go right on ahead to the back. Oh, do I got a pink one for? No, I don't think I have a pink one for 5. Well, I only have 6. Yeah, yep, that's a 5. Never mind. So we are going right here. And let's go ahead and cross off a 5. Let's go ahead and do this one. That's what I should have did last time. All right. So let's work our way from the back to the front here. All right, put these cards up here. So let's see. Let's see how much we got so far with this challenge from Reynolds Budget. We got 20, 30, 5, 41. So $41. I feel like I'm not in the center of the frame. All right, move some stuff around. Let's see, what is this one? So our penguins here got $5 today and a total of $20, $40, $5, $52. So $52. Okay, we move it on up, and that's $100. So over the threshold with that one. And Dreamy Budgets got nice little domino. That keeps calling it dice. I meant to say domino if I do keep calling it dice. But it got 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So $41 in here. Craft the Awareness. Oh, we didn't get to do that one. That didn't get anything, but this budget with Carly with the hot chocolate and marshmallow got $4 today. And that was our first time starting that one. We didn't do the humble budgeter today. That was our cute little friends here living her best life. That was her right there. So cute. She's still at the spa, so she didn't want to come out and play today. Let's see, the Reynolds budget. We got to finish this one. Yes. And that was $42. So I'm going to set that to the side. And we'll put a new challenge there. And then the Thrifted Sewist today got $15. And all together, it got 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, $29. Let's see. Kaylee Creations today got $5. And in total, it got $26. Let me add this up, make sure I put the right amount in there because I'm not sure. 2, 6. Yeah, 26. Okay, I didn't mess that up. So $26. All right. And then Stuff and Budget didn't get anything today. Bookish Mama Budget did. She got $5. That is perfect. And then Budget with Carly up here got $16. So that is perfect also. So with us finishing envelope number 6, I will put a new challenge in there. And this will go, right here will go towards Easter. So that's the next holiday that's coming up that I'm saving for. So I can't wait. So I'm gonna have to condense this, but it's those cards in here that's making this have a little poofiness. All right, gems, that is it. Thank you once again for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.